Introducing the Bissell Commercial BigGreen BGU8000, a lightweight powerhouse designed to tackle heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With a sleek 13-inch cleaning path and a weight of just 8 pounds, this upright vacuum combines ease of use with solid industrial-grade performance. Whether you're dealing with large office spaces, restaurants, or any commercial setting, this model promises to deliver consistent cleaning results without the bulk or strain of heavier machines. This vacuum offers a 40-foot power cord, an impressive length that provides substantial reach, making it an excellent choice for larger spaces without constantly switching outlets. The cord also has a unique feature. It's connected to the pigtail cord with a cord clamp, allowing for easy replacement if it ever becomes damaged. This clever design helps you avoid costly repairs, giving you peace of mind in high-traffic areas where cords can wear down over time. The fingertip-controlled on-off switch adds a nice touch of convenience, making it simple to start and stop your cleaning sessions without bending down. In terms of features, the Bissell BigGreen vacuum excels in versatility. The 13-inch cleaning head is optimal for commercial use, allowing you to cover more ground quickly while still providing a deep clean. This vacuum isn't just about width, though. It's engineered for long-lasting durability, ensuring it can handle everything from fine dust to larger debris. It's especially beneficial for spaces that demand both thorough cleaning and fast turnaround times. Now, when it comes to real-world use, the BigGreen really shines. You'll notice how easy it is to maneuver, given its lightweight build. Despite being robust enough for industrial use, the 8-pound weight makes it easy to handle, even when navigating tight corners or smaller rooms. Whether you're working on carpets, rugs, or hard floors, the vacuum maintains consistent suction power, ensuring that dirt, dust, and debris don't stand a chance. Of course, like any commercial vacuum, the BGU8000 is designed to handle long hours of continuous use, making it ideal for business owners who need reliable equipment that doesn't wear down after multiple sessions. Pet hair? Not a problem. The Bissell BigGreen makes quick work of lifting embedded pet hair, a crucial factor in both commercial and residential settings. However, it's important to note that this vacuum isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. While it's designed for high-powered cleaning on a range of surfaces, it may not be the best fit for superfine carpet fibers, as the suction is best suited for more durable carpets and floors. The vacuum's maintenance is straightforward, too. With its bagged design, you can easily dispose of collected dirt, ensuring that your air quality stays clean, especially in places with higher foot traffic or food particles. The bag's capacity ensures you won't need to empty it frequently, but how often you need to replace the bag will depend on the volume of cleaning done. Despite its impressive power and design, there are a few things to consider. For one, while the 40-foot power cord is fantastic for large spaces, it can be a bit cumbersome if you're working in a more confined area. It's also worth mentioning that because this vacuum is designed for commercial use, it's on the louder side compared to residential models. However, the noise level is a fair trade-off for the exceptional performance you get, particularly in busy environments where noise isn't a major concern. When we talk about value, the Bissell BigGreen strikes a strong balance between price and performance. It's competitively priced compared to other industrial vacuums in the same category, yet it delivers on durability, powerful suction, and long-term usability. It stands out for its ease of maintenance, especially with the replaceable power cord, which saves you money in the long run. In terms of alternatives, you might look at vacuums like the Hoover Commercial Hushtone or the Orec Commercial Orbiter. These models also offer robust performance, but the Bissell's design, especially with its user-friendly features, gives it an edge in terms of convenience and cost-effectiveness. Build quality is another area where the Bissell BigGreen excels. The materials feel sturdy and solid, and the assembly is well designed. This vacuum is made to withstand the rough and tumble of commercial spaces, and it shows in the quality of the construction. The power cord, while long and capable, is also one of the standout features here, allowing easy replacement to extend the life of the vacuum. As for maintenance, the Bissell BigGreen doesn't require too much upkeep. Emptying the bag is a simple task, and the brush roll can be cleared of debris with minimal effort. For larger cleaning jobs, this vacuum delivers consistent results, but be mindful that, like any vacuum, a bit of regular care will go a long way in ensuring that it keeps running smoothly. In terms of longevity, the Bissell BigGreen is designed to last, especially when compared to similar models. Given its robust build and thoughtful design, it's a reliable option for both businesses and commercial cleaning services. It's worth noting, though, that regular maintenance, like checking the cord and brush roll, is key to ensuring long-term performance. The Bissell BigGreen's customer service reputation is solid, though interactions may vary depending on your location. Generally, Bissell is known for offering decent support for its commercial line of vacuums, which is reassuring if you ever face issues with the unit. Wrapping up, the Bissell Commercial BigGreen BGU8000 stands out as a versatile, durable, and user-friendly vacuum cleaner, perfect for those in need of reliable, heavy-duty cleaning power. Whether you're a business owner, property manager, or part of a cleaning service, its powerful suction, ease of use, and long-lasting design make it a solid choice. However, it's best suited for those who need consistent cleaning on tougher surfaces, rather than delicate carpets or sensitive environments. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to grab the Bissell BigGreen, you can find the link in the comments box below. Let us know your thoughts or ask any questions in the comments. If you've got this vacuum in your lineup, we'd love to hear about your experience. Goodbye, till next time, and remember, your space deserves the best, so make sure you're picking the right tools.